Welcome to the JMT.
E don settle as APC don drag Governor Adeleke go court. Correct people. If this one is the first time wey you dey come across this our video, I beg make you do it to subscribe, and if you subscribe, don't forget to like, share, and always comment. We could know wetin you always dey think concerning the matter wey dey arising. As we talk on before, so many things dey happen for the world, so e good make we dey informed so that we no go dey deformed. My people, on today's news we wan talk about Governor Adeleke wey APC don dey use body dey find since they come. They don use everywhere take find this man since he enter power. They don use all means take find this man, drag this man go court. They found another means to take carry and go court. Different things wey they just dey do for that state. Recently this man don appoint ministers 25 ministers of different position. He himself can't give himself Minister of Works. That APC people can say for waiting why he could do that kind of thing. He not already appoint himself as minister. I can see appoint a deputy. They can say for the constitution, person where they power, not they give himself another commissioner. You know if you be commissioner when you don't dey power. Now this one can't bring issues. So where they can't take carry this man, drag and now go court. The koko now be say this man so wey give himself commissioner not being starter, and if he not being go end down, because during Buhari time I remember Buhari gave himself Minister of Petroleum. APC people they not come and talk say constitution this 1-2 section B section A, this one you are not supposed to. They not talk. The matter just go like that. Nobody raise alarm. Over Obasanjo time self, he still give himself minister, but Richard Adeleke turn now wey give himself commissioner of work, and his deputy still give that one commissioner. All of them don't come out for hold. They say why you waiting go make am give himself that commissioner when he don already gave position. My people, waiting a reason about this matter. Make I play on the video where he for inaugurate all these 25 ministers where they follow and work. Make una watch this video to the end.
Thereafter, the governor announced their portfolios.
Ministry of Agriculture. Ministry of Health. Ministry of Environment and Sanitation. Barrister Kola Family. Minister of Information and Public Enlightenment.
He charged them not to jeopardize the confidence reposed in them.
You must be above board. Corrupt conduct will be heavily sanctioned. I'm not thinking out of the box government as political heads of your ministries. Be very innovative, generate and implement new ideas.
The ministries have now been expanded from 16 used by Oyetola's administration to 25. The commissioners promised to serve the state diligently.
To meet their expectation and the special grace of God. The government has an agenda, 5 programs, and we are keying into the program, and we want to make Osun a better place to live.
We have appointed competent individuals as commissioners. We believe that they are going to be able to deliver the 5-point agenda that is meant for that the PDP did during the campaign. I expect the new sets of commissioners to do very well in their various assignments. It's an opportunity for them to serve the good people.
My people, open another watch the video. Now this one so they cause wahala. So where APC not allow Governor Ademola breathe, they not gree allow the man breathe. So from one court to another court, from one court to another court. Now they go is when he enter power, where they're supposed to they look or find way where citizens of the country go take progress better. They send a court they want they face every time. Now this one we bring for our news today. We'll make una do well to stay safe. Make una not forget to like and share this video, and also drop your comment concerning this matter so wey dey happen for Osun State. Una do.
DJ AP. DJ AP.